Hi and welcome, I'm Piotr and this is Daily Read, a place where we try to read something every day and learn something new. Let me get that out of the way. So as you can see, this channel is about reading books pretty much and highlights learning from them. Why? Well, pretty much education always sucked. You had to learn about multiple different things that are no interest to you. And, well, pretty much in my experience, actually, now I can buy all the books I need and they are treating about the single subject that is interesting for me. So, let's go with why we are here. As Simon Sinek is saying, start with why. So let's start with why, guys. I believe that acquiring knowledge is the first base and should be the first virtue among pretty much human race, because it's the most important thing. If you know how to do stuff, life gets a lot easier and you have the upper hand. So pretty much there's that. By empirical experience, pretty much figure out all the rest. Like life, the universe and everything. I mean, we know that the answer is 42, but, well, let's just dig into that. So number 2, how we will be doing this. Pretty much this is my accountability, because I got a lot of books I didn't have the time to read, and I feel bad about that. So this holds me accountable to actually read those books. Some of the chapters I will record, you will be able to hear the highlights, and we can discuss those in the comments. If you have a different idea that I have after reading this, I will try to verify this with my common sense and make just simple rant about the idea if using my common sense it actually should work or not, or maybe I don't know, maybe I need more information. I will tell you and we can discuss this later on. Also, the idea for that is that you can also be accountable for yourself. Just sit down, watch me rant about the book and provide you with some highlights, and just read your own book in the meanwhile. Or just put on a video, mute it, and just read. Find your time for yourself, like me. Make your favorite tea, find your space and some time, like 15 minutes per day, and just read anything from any topic that is interesting for you, or you would maybe want to be interested in. Or you have no idea what it is, but you just want to try something new, so you can then connect the dots from different cases, and maybe you will find some new ideas. Maybe some business idea will pop up to your head because you read 3 different books from psychology, newsletters, and military stuff. I got no idea, but hey, we need to explore the unknown, as they say, so let's dig through those books and see what happens. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the comment section. Bye. So how can you use this channel? Well, actually the idea would be that you can make yourself a tea, find yourself some space, find yourself some time, play me in the background or mute me, or just simply as a reminder, the video should be able to help you to find a book that you want to read, or anything there is for that matter that is of interest to you. You can just find your time and space, relax, and mindfully, on purpose, read and learn whatever it is that makes your life pretty much better, if you will know it, of course. If you want to study, if you want to get a promotion at work, or create your own project, whatever it is you want to do, find yourself time and space to actually sit at least 15 minutes for that and do it. Grab a cup of coffee or a tea, read a book, or whatever other creative work you might be doing. You can play me in the background, you can turn me off, whatever, but this is for you, like a reminder. And just, if you click play, just remember that this is time for you, and be productive. Do something for yourself that you will benefit in the future. Even if it is only 15 minutes a week, you have to start somewhere. I did also start somewhere. I just sit now, relax, read, and I'm happy because I'm actually getting rid of those piles and I will be able to buy new books afterwards. So there's that. Then we can of course discuss this and share our thoughts in the comment section or on the Discord server. Relax, find the time for you and only for yourself, and use it. See you in the comment section or somewhere else.